Hi everyone, my name is Erin Micklow. Welcome back to my channel. If you're new to my channel, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and tap the bell to get notified when new videos go up. Today, I'm going to walk you through how I do a wig install with this $30 black wig from Lemedy Sports on Amazon. You can check the link in the description below for a discount code for this as well. So black is hard to get out. I personally have never dyed my hair. It's one of the ways that I keep my hair healthy. So I'm a huge fan of hair pieces and wigs. If you might have been following me for a bit, you know that I do change my hair often, even though I am most known for my Liberty spikes. So here's how to go about this first and foremost. Without doing all the glue applications for a lace front wig install, because I don't want to, I don't want to mess up my skin. So I'm going to kind of do it the cheap and easy way, but show you how to make it look nice at the same time. First, I have my hair pinned back. So I separated it into pigtails and then braided it and pinned it. This is one of the easiest ways to not have a lot of bulk under your wig cap. Next, you're going to take your wig cap. And so you see how without having like a ponytail up here, it sits flatter so that you don't have like a big bulking thing. I learned that from a wig store here in Los Angeles. They recommended that to me and said, this is one of the best ways to not have like a big lump when you have your wig on. And so one thing I've learned about wigs, if you're not wearing your own natural hair color, this is what will poke out. So I'm going to take some mascara. Any hair store or on Amazon would sell a product that's very similar. It looks like mascara. I've had them before, and you just kind of want to color your sides. Mascara works just fine too, but they sell like actual products for hair, and it's pretty much the same thing though. In my experience, we're just gonna... Ooh, a little glob right there. Let's just... Ooh. Sides are colored. So now I'm going to take the wig. This is synthetic hair, but for synthetic hair, one of my favorite things about it is it will hold its wave and its shape as opposed to human hair. And this one, it has little bungees in it, so you can tighten it if needed. And it's kind of just like putting on a hat. So we've got the sides colored, so that blends a bit better. Ta-da! It's like a different person.